Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee. Ooh, when I took off that beanie, y'all see what that hair just did. But welcome back to another weekend vlog. We are at the gym. Roosevelt has already started warming up. But we're about to warm up. It's back day with him, recording some content for his channel. Oh, I hate when I forget my earrings, but that's okay. So we got some plans for this weekend, so it should be a good weekend vlog. Baby shower, shopping, home decor, all the good stuff. So really warmed up.
Driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away, dreams away, dreams away, dreams away. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed, on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cook clean, but still won't fall. Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Clearly, we're finished at the gym, and now we're at Sam's Club. So we're out running our errands. Say hey, baby.
What up?
So, yeah, we don't have as many errands to run this weekend as we did last weekend, but we're still gonna stop at a few stores, get some home decor, food, all that good stuff. So, yeah. Have you ever tried the pre-seasoned salmon? Have you ever tried this pre-seasoned salmon marinated?
That's decent.
It's good. Cheese. Oh, tortillas, yeah. So me and Roosevelt are at Target now. Just getting a few things that, Sam's Club is like, you get stuff in bulk type of store. So, yeah. This is the size you got?
Yeah.
I've never tried this kind. You like it? I mean, I just never tried it.
Try it. You might not like it.
So I shouldn't get them?
I would say do something you got.
This is like a taco size. You want like a mini taco size? Like TJ taco size?
I would think a taco is that size.
Because it literally says soft taco.
Well, I literally got that version of that.
Okay, well, there's probably some other tacos stuff down here. So the last stop before we go home is at home. So, gonna get a rug, nightstands, console table. Okay. So these are the nightstands we're about to get. They're only $70, so we got two. Then we need a rug, and I need a console table. I do like this little cabinet though. How much is this? See, I like the double. The double's $269. The single is only $149. So this is depressing. We're at home. Found literally two rugs that we like, but they don't have the size we need in either of those two. Depressed. So I came in the beauty supply store. Literally just to get scissors to cut out my weave. But the beauty supply always gonna tell you what you need. They always gonna tell you what you need. So I got some eyebrow razors and a harder brush. I'm waiting for her to come cut this or get the scissors for me because they are locked up. But also I'm looking for some gel. Okay, so we're home. So I'm gonna show you guys a little mini grocery haul. I think this is mini, at least for us. So, got some salmon. Roosevelt likes to get the frozen because he just likes to cook or maybe like a piece or two at a time. And then Greek yogurt, some carb balance flour tortillas, and I was craving kiwi this week, so got some kiwi. Okay, then we got some tomato. What'd you get tomato for?
Salad.
Oh, okay. Tomatoes, eggs. We have brown eggs, but I've been noticing, sorry, moving the camera all over. I've been noticing the brown eggs when I boil them, so I won't have, like, it doesn't peel right, and it just be not tasting how I want it to taste. So, got some regular white eggs. Also got a sweet Riesling wine. This one is by Pacific Rim from Columbia Valley, Washington. I love Riesling. I haven't tried this brand though, so hopefully that one's good. I got some Special K cereal. I got some yogurt for me. I like the So Delicious coconut yogurt, dairy free. Got some taco type tortillas, or, you know, just flour, but, well, they actually say fajita, but taco sizes, you know. And then, yep, that's all there. I was craving Takis, but they didn't have Takis, so I just got these turbos. They're doing the job, though. And then got some more of my beef smoked sausage. This is to make acai bowls or smoothie. Probably gonna do a bowl though out of it. Oh, man. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So it is the next day. I'm currently getting ready. I don't know if I showed y'all what I got from the stores and stuff yesterday. Oh, I was in the middle of it and then my phone cut off. It went dead, but that's okay. Nevertheless, right now we're getting ready to go to one of Roosevelt's friends' baby showers. So I'm just trying to do my face a little bit. I took out my sewing this morning, washed my hair, and I just have it in a bun. Just got the scarf on, trying to lay my edges real quick. But yeah, just gonna do a neutral makeup look. I just wanted to update y'all for the day, let y'all know the weekend is still here. I never picked back up my camera yesterday, so yeah. Anywho, happy Sunday. I'll hit y'all later, and I'll let y'all know how the baby shower went. I probably won't vlog there because I don't know these people, so I'll just let y'all know how it goes. So yeah, just getting ready.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road, all the tears I find. $16 working all day, ain't got time to waste. I got art to make, I got love to create on this holy night. They won't dim my light. All these years I fight. It's been 38 summers and I'm in my bed on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard now I miss my kids. Overworked and overwhelmed. I might cook clean but still won't fall. Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
For the jean jacket, for that, you know, little pop. I have these knee-high boots on. You can't even see really because they're black. I was going with these other ones, but the heel was like a little higher. They were like ankle booties. But yeah, this is it. Oh, I guess I'll show you guys the little console table I got yesterday. This right here, that's my hair stuff. That's the makeup stuff. I'm obviously going to clean it up, make it better, but I'm trying to just hurry up so we can go right now. But yeah, that's that. Can't wait till the couch comes in on Tuesday. And yeah, this room is like almost done. I'll have to just decorate it or whatever, but the furniture pieces will all be here. So yeah, but I'll see y'all.
Like it's a real baby. This guy right here in the middle.
You gotta completely undress the baby.
What? Who said why? He said I'm dead.
Why do you have to completely undress it?
Yes.
I don't think I've ever done
No, just kidding.
Do whatever you
Do whatever you have to do.
I don't know how to put this on.
Yeah,
No
you
idea.
that.
Yeah, oh my God. Take the other night off first. There you go.
I don't know how to put that
Say something.
I'm tying it. Strapping down.
Okay, now.
Nice.
Oh my God.
That's so funny.
Oh.
The diaper goes in between the legs, Roosevelt.
like I can see.
Oh no.
You just go act like I can see.
Oh my That's all
No,
right.
you have to.
I need to get my diaper checked.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. See, you gotta do everything. You're fine.
Okay, I didn't know if y'all needed to.
I'll do it after to see if you disqualified, but it's okay.
This is so funny.
Raymond doesn't count because he didn't undress it.
Lift the baby up if you're done. Lift the baby up. Oh, we ready.
Keep going, keep going.
At the three of them. Let me see.
This is so funny.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Hold on. You can look
Alright, I'm done.
Wait, I want to. Okay. All right, you can take off your
This is
blindfold.
so funny.
Hold on. Well, so he was the one that actually removed the whole entire clothes.
Okay.
And
Oh, uh-oh, whoa.
Let's go.
That's what this is.
Oh, ladies. I got more in here than everybody else.
What are you doing? Two straights? Somebody put anybody want a little
oh,
kick?
they're ready
A
to
little
put.
kick?
He already put. Okay.
I know, I seen him back at the Look at you. I don't know who's driving.
All right, ready?
Okay, no.
Set.
Okay.
Go.
This is hard to get out. All right, y'all. So we're home from the baby shower. It was fun. Played little games. As y'all saw, Roosevelt struggling with that diaper. It was so funny. But now I'm at home being a wife. So I got some mac and cheese in the oven. It's almost done. It's really just, you know, getting a little browns at the top. Y'all like baked mac and cheese, or y'all like on the stove top mac and cheese? I started out on the stove, and now I just like to brown it on the top for that baked kind of feel. But I still like it cheesy. You know, that cheese pull, yeah. Making some sweet potatoes too, so I'm boiling the sweet potatoes right now, the yams. I got rice here, but Rosebud said he want dirty rice, so I'm gonna try to turn this into like seasoned rice for him. He don't want no meat or nothing in it because he's a pescatarian, but so basically seasoned rice. So I got like a little bit of seasoned water right here, with just like a chicken bouillon cube. So I'm just letting that boil down a little bit, so that way the rice don't get too mushy, and then I'll season that up, and then. Yeah, what else I'm making? Oh, I'm making fried fish. So while I'm gonna make Roosevelt air fried fish, I'll make me real fried fish. So yeah, we're making flounder, which I never had, so we're gonna see what to do. But yeah, that's life right now. All right, y'all, here's my mac and cheese. We about to do a little pull test. Oh, yeah. Y'all see, oh, yes. Let me try it out. All right, I got it right here. With the little cheese strings. Bussin'. Okay, so this is dinner. I have the unhealthy version. Roosevelt has the healthy version. So I made him some broccoli, air fried fish, and like makeshift dirty rice. And he just wanted a little bit of mac and cheese just to taste it. And I made my yams, mac and cheese, broccoli, and then fried fish. But the yams, I didn't make them as sweet as like Thanksgiving style. Like Thanksgiving style, you know, you make them real sweet. This is just like a little bit sweet. So yeah. But yeah, that's dinner.